everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 13th to the 17th of December 2021 on Monday. Nosipho's prayers are answered when the ancestors shows up for her in the time of need. Mamlambo has prepared a 7 colors meal for her newfound friend. The Xaba resident is left in utter shock by an unexpected arrival. Nyawo success out the competition on Tuesday. Lily's slip of the tongue may result to dire consequences. Meanwhile, Katide flood the street of KwaMashu with a new party truck, and a frustrated Nyawo has a bumpy start in his preparation of the spelling competition on Wednesday. Katide is on a mission and Mamlambo is none the wiser. Nonka goes all length to get an eviction order, whilst Wu is a broken record complaining non-stop on Thursday. The effect of the red pill is shaking the whole of KwaMashu, and it's just the beginning. Nonka saves Madonga and Lily the coldest revenge, and Wu is not giving up on his dream on Friday. Madonga and Lily find a good Samaritan on the road who offers them help. The red pills take KwaMashu by storm, and Mondli is in bliss. He's determined to get to the bottom of this. A frustrated Wu can't understand why he isn't famous already. His song is a hit. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.